Information about your parents, Part 6. So, first and foremost here, USCIS mentioned that if neither of your parents is a U.S. citizen, then you can skip and go to Part 7. However, if one of your citizen, or if of your parents, at least one of your parents is a U.S. citizen, then you need to respond to this section. And the reason for that is because they're trying to figure out, are you already a U.S. citizen as a result of derivative citizenship? Because what happens is a lot of people, they've had a green card for a long time, and then they're thinking that they're not a citizen, but their parent ends up becoming a citizen before their 18th birthday, which means that they could have received derivative citizenship. And so this is where they're trying to figure out whether you're already a citizen or not. And so answer this section if your parents, if at least one of your parents is a United States citizen. And so you have, were they married before your 18th birthday? Is your mother a U.S. citizen? And then on the other side, you give your mother's name and place of birth and date of birth, and then when she became a citizen and her alien number. Again, they're looking to see, was she a citizen and are you a citizen? And then the same thing with the father. So that's the information about, really here, they're trying to determine your eligibility for naturalization and whether you're already a citizen.